Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Nothing Gold Can Stay by Robert FrostNature's first green is gold, her hardest hue to hold, her early leaf a flower, but only so an hour. Then leaf subsides to leaf, so evening sank to grief, so dawn goes down today, nothing gold can stay. 1. How does the poem's brevity contribute to its meaning? A. It emphasizes the fleeting nature of beauty in life. B. It prevents the reader from losing interest. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.